Hi students, good morning all of you. Welcome back our online class Maths 6th standard. Students, today we are going to continue our the first chapter revision, that is knowing numbers. Already previous video you have learned about that Indian place value chart and what is the face value and what is the place value of that. Okay, and what is the difference between the two places of the place values. So today students we are doing some other problems like Roman numbers and Hindu Arabic numbers, how we are using and how we are changing, converting into Hindu Arabic numerals to Roman numbers and Roman numbers to into Hindu Arabic numbers also we will discuss here. Okay, so I have given that students some questions, you should discuss that. Let us see. First question it has given, express as Hindu Arabic numerals. That means it has given in Roman numerals. So you should convert it Hindu Arabic numerals. Okay friends. So first question read carefully. XXXII. Second question given XCV. Third question given here of the friends DCCLXIV. Okay. So these are the three questions I have given. We have to convert it to in but Hindu Arabic numerals. Hindu Arabic numeral means like general our numbers like 25, 30, 100, 300, 355, like that some numbers we have no, that is called as the Hindu Arabic numerals. So let us see first question, it is Roman numbers. So this number, what is that Hindu Arabic numerals, we have to see. First solution I am doing students here, observe that. First, here given see X, X, X and II. Observe students, this the big digit, that means the X is the big number here, so X is the 10, that means 10 3 times, that means if you repeat it, students already I have told if that one Roman numbers is repeated, that means you have to add. So I will give that one some example also students, again triple I, that means 1, I means 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3, triple I means 3. Are you students, did you understand? So at a maximum how many times can repeated one number? Only 3 times. More than 3 we cannot write. That means we cannot write 1, 2, 3, 4 like that we cannot write. If suppose we need 4, we don't want to write 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay. So maximum one letter or one Roman number can repeat 3 times only. Okay. So students here which Roman number is repeated here now? X is repeated. How many times? 3 times. So I have written here first question students X, 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 I. That means X means 10. So 10 plus 10 plus 10. Then this is right side also, smaller number is right side means also will add plus 1, 1 repeated 1 plus 1 is equal to 10 plus 10 plus 10 30 plus 2 32. So this number answer will come how much friends? 32. Okay. Second B. B what is that students? Observe XCV. XCV. Students, first of all whenever the Roman number given to you, first choose which one is the large number, which one is the biggest number among them. If 3 numbers are there, that means among this value means 10, this is 100, this is 5. So 100 is big. Okay. So if biggest number back side, left side, if any number is there, that means you have to subtract. Big number right side, if any number is there, smaller number is there, then you have to add. Already I have told the rules. So here the biggest number is 100. So smaller number is 10. So 100 minus 10. Next, what is the right side is there? Then you have to add. Okay. So this 100, first big number you have to write it. 100. Left side which number is there? That is subtraction. So minus 10. Okay. Plus here V means 5. That means 100 minus 10 90 plus 5 is equal to 95. Are you clear students? Once again I am saying, if there digit some numbers, Roman numbers are there, in this which one is the big you have to observe. From the big you have to go forward. So big number, first big number left side if you come, if you see there is one number, so that first subtraction do, immediately after that you have to add that number, right side number you have to add. Similarly students, this answer how much came students? 95. So this is answer is 95. So XCV means 95. Okay. So now we'll go for this one. Students, see DCCLXIV. Students, it is a very big number like you will observe. So carefully you should don't leave it. You should observe that how we should solve. Among these all the numbers value you should know already. First you see D value 500, C value 100, C value 100, L value 50, X value 10, I value 1, V value 5. So among these, which one is the biggest number you have to first choose. Now in this among this, D is the biggest. D means 500. So that means these all numbers you have to add with 500. Okay, students? So that is the first thing. So first 500 we can write. Plus we have to give. Then whatever number this will do, that you have to add. Okay. Go for the second. Next what is there? Now you see up here CC. That means C is the next smallest number. So C means 100. This is 100. So we can write 100 plus 100. Next C after smallest number is 50. So C after is there, so we can do plus 50. Plus L after X is there, so plus 10. Plus, students observe this completed now. This number we have to solve. X means 10, but next number what is there? Smallest number. After that, which number? Big number. So इधर आप देखिए ये बड़ा है, इसके बाद में छोटे नंबर है, बाद में बड़ा नंबर है. तो ए नंबर नहीं हो तो क्या करना है? उसका साथ ऐड कर देना. x का साथ ऐड करना मतलब 10 plus 1. लेकिन उसका बाद में एक नंबर है जो कि बड़ा है उससे, तो मिडिल पे आ गया छोटा नंबर. इसलिए क्या करना है? ये बिग नंबर से x को सब्ट्रैक्शन करना, जो वैल्यू आएगा उसको इधर ऐड करो. ठीक है. अभी क्या करना है देखो. व्हाट यू विल डू नाउ? 10 प्लस करना है. व्हाटएवर इट विल कम दैट इज द. सो हियर ऑब्जर्व IV means the smallest number here. You observe here IV means which big number? Left side is there, so it is the smallest number. So we have to write 5 minus 1. Okay, because this one is smallest number. All remain big, smaller like that. But here 2 digits before the smallest number is there. Big number before one smallest number is there. So we have to subtract. So is equal to, you should do all this add. 500, 600, 700, 750, 60, 760 plus here 5 minus 4 means 4 is equal to 764. Are you clear, friends? So in the last two number you observe, this is subtraction will become, because B is the greater number, smallest number before is there. So this all add after, this is 5 minus 1 will come, that is the 4. Okay. So answer will come 764. Okay. So next, same like friends, we'll go for the express in Roman numerals. Okay. This I will rub it. Students, observe here, express in Roman numerals. What is that, students? Given that 446. Okay. So first of all, you carefully should write down, students. This is 446. 400, how like you should write, friends? Because if we cannot write 400 means 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100. 4 times we cannot write. So how we can write it? Now we can write it 500 minus 100. Okay, students. So plus 46. Okay. 446 means 400 means how can we can write it? We can write it, or we can do also. Here I am explaining to students. What is that? The second bit A, 446. Yes. So this how can we write? Now we first of all we can write it. First 400 plus 46. Okay, students. Or 4 plus 40 plus 6. Okay. 4 expanded form like we have written 400 plus 40 plus 6. Okay. Is equal to this, student. 400 means how can we can write it? We cannot write it 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100 because 4 times we cannot write. So what you have to do? Now 500 minus 100, that is 400, plus here 400 means 500 minus 100. If 40, how we write, friends? we cannot write x plus x plus x plus x. So 4 times we cannot repeat. So what we can do? 50 minus 10 we can do also. Plus this 6 means what we can do? Now we can do v high plus 1. Okay? High plus 1. Are you clear, friends? So now observe here. So if 500 minus 100, that means how can we write this, friends? Now we can write it CD. Observe. CD means 500 it will come. Okay? Plus 50 minus 10. That means 50 minus 10. That means what we can write it? XL plus means no need to write it VI. So the answer is CDXLVI. Are you clear, friends? In this big is the D is 100 you have to subtraction plus here this is the big number, this is subtraction you have to do plus 5 plus 1. So that is the our answer will come 446 means CDXLVI. Okay, friends, same like you can do 341. 341. Friends, observe here. Same like expanded you do. We can write 300 plus 40 plus 1. 300 00 410 plus 1. Expanded form we have written. So now 300 we can write. Yes, 3 times we can possible. So we can write it 100 plus 100 plus 100. 40 means 50 minus 10 plus 1. Are you clear, friends? We cannot write 40 10 10 10 10. So what you have to do? 50 minus 10. So now observe, friends. This is what we can write. The C plus 50 minus 10. 10 means X L I. This is our answer. Okay. 50 minus 10 means XL. Add right side. Subtraction means left side. Big number subtraction means left side. That is the 100 100 100. So C. So answer it came CXLI. So same like you can go for 49. See, 49 means, friends, observe, 49 means what you can write it? 50 minus 1. So we can write IL. Okay? L means 50, subtraction, so we can write IL. Are you clear, friends? These are the expressed in Roman numbers, numerals. Okay? So now we can go for that. Say third one, estimate the following products by rounding off the it's hundreds. Friends, first of all, this you have to round it. So up to 100 places. To it's 100 place. So 377 100 nearest to 100 is equal to nearest 100 is equal to how much will come, friends? Because if you are checking 100 place, that means 10th place digit you have to check. If it is nearest to 100, then 10th place digit you have to check. 10th place digit, what is that? 7 is there. That means 5 or 5 to more means this place digit will increase. So we can write 400. Okay. Now 432 nearest 100 is equal to how much, friends? Observe. Here 432. This 10th place digit you check. 10th place digit is 5 to less. So no change. So direct 400 because 4 won't change. It is 00. So now we got this. Hence 377 into 432 is equal to 400 into 400 is equal to 1640. Okay, this is our answer. Same like, friends, this is we can do 245 into 598. So 245 nearest 100 is equal to how much, friends? Nearest 100 means 10th place check. 10th place is 4, so no change. That means as usual 2 won't change and 00. Same like the 598 nearest to hundreds is equal to, means observe here, this is 9. So 9 means it is more than 5. So 100 place will change. So 6 and double 0. So now multiplication we can do. 245 into 598 is equal to 200 into 600 is equal to 6 12 12 and 4 zeros. Okay students, so these are the conversion into Roman numbers, Hindu Arabic numbers and Hindu Arabic numbers to Roman numbers and estimates value. Okay, other remain we will discuss in the next video. Thank you.